to fix login error on Raising Cane's application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem on the application or on the website, you need to make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and tap on your Wi-Fi to turn it on and to connect to a secure network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any kinds of internet issues. However, if you're still facing any kinds of login errors, you can simply go to your settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage, and here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Raising Cane's application. The app we're looking for, simply tap on it and tap on Offload app. Tap on Offload app again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application while skipping its documents and data. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if you're still facing any kinds of problem after this, you can simply restart the device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.